What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here. Today is the 23rd, which is Tuesday, Tech Tuesday, and I'm going to show you a feature that can help you with your sleep with your Android device. Now, I just happened to stumble upon this by accident, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people knew that this feature was already baked in, but for those that did not know, let's go ahead and get right into it. And just a word of warning, I will say the hot word, so if you have a device that's an Android device that's around you while this video is playing, it might activate. But I'm going to go ahead and take you through the steps just by going through it myself. Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
6:30 a.m.
Good night, Super Saiyan King.
And just like that, once it sets the alarm, it starts to play these nature sounds. Now, I'm not sure if you can go in here and change the actual sound, but how convenient is this? Like I said, this is something that I didn't see, and an old girl is going off. Alexa, let me mute that. There we go. But this is something that I didn't know was in that was in Android. Now, I'm on Android 10. I don't know how far back this goes, but this is a pretty awesome feature here where you can just say a few things and then you're set. And I'm actually going to keep that alarm because I need to wake up early in the morning. But anyway, I just wanted to drop this quick video. I know this is not one of the more lengthy videos, but I just wanted to make people aware of this that have Android devices, that this is something that is available. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, you are official, and we will see you later.